Hello everyone. So today I'll show you how you can easily add custom fields to your product pages in WooCommerce for completely free. So we'll use the WooWaddons plugin. It's a very good product add-ons plugin for WooCommerce with 2000 active installation, and it is getting continuous updates day by day. And the most important part, most interesting part of this plugin is that you can do almost all type of product options, product add-ons things completely free. So let's just see how it works. So our plugin is already installed, so we just go to our add-ons dashboard right now. So here, a very cool and user-friendly and modern interface you will find. So you can easily just click on the create options button here, and from here you can start adding your add-ons or custom fields easily. So first of all, let's see, we want to choose on which product we want to show the custom fields. It can be a simple specific product, it can be all products on your store, or it can be a product from a specific category. So if I choose a specific category, we'll see there's a lot of categories, and you can select any category you like. I'll choose just gaming item here, and now I will start to add custom fields as I want. So you just click on the plus icon, and as you can see there are a lot of options and all of them are completely free. So most of them are completely free. You just choose what kind of options you want to give here. So let's start with a very simple and basic one, that I want to show I want to show different colors for these product pages, right? So that my customers can find out, can see what kind of color they want for their product. So I'll just choose from, let's, to be on the safe side, I will just choose all product from here. And now I will click on the plus icon, and now I will choose color swatches, right? So here I can customize what kind of color I want to provide, I want to make available for my products. So it can be like yellow color, it can be blue color, and it can be a black color, right? So the options are completely up to you, and you can charge extra for specific color. So let's say you have a limited edition color which is very premium, and you want to charge like 10 or $20 extra for that color, right? You can easily do that. So let's say I want to make yellow color specifically costly, so I'll just choose $20 from here. But I don't want to charge for other items, other colors, right? So I will just select no cost from here. So our color swatches option is set up, right? I can even give it a title like choose your color. Yeah. And now when I click on publish and save, I should see these product options on my product pages. So let's just check it out on the live page. And here it is. So when customer visit your store, they will now see this nifty custom field to choose from. Pretty neat, right? So let's just add one more add-on here. Like I want to offer my customers an express delivery option, right? And for when they select yes, they will be charged extra money, right? So I will choose the switch option here, and I will name it, do you want urgent delivery? So here I will charge them $10, let's say, and I can rename this switch as yes. So when customers select yes to this option, they will be automatically charged $10 extra. Pretty cool, right? So let's save it and check it out on our live page. And as you can see, our main price of this product is $3.99. But when they select this option, automatically it is added $10. And when they select yellow option, another $20 is added to the total amount. So this way you can add lot of add-on options on product pages. You can charge them or make it available for free and customize your product pages. That way you can truly give your customers a personalized shopping experience. So I hope this video helped you, and we will go further on using how to add extra options on your product pages in upcoming videos.